Hey there, flying devotees. Ever pondered what groundbreaking aircraft are out there that will take off you in wonder? Need to find the most mind-blowing innovations taking off through our skies? Adhere around, since we're almost to take you on a travel you won't forget. Now let's dive in. Vertical Aerospace VA2X. The Vertical Aerospace VA2X marks a noteworthy progression in electric flying. Developed by Vertical Aerospace, this electric vertical takeoff and landing model serves as a testing platform for future passenger models. With a range of 50 miles and a maximum speed of 50 meters per hour, it accommodates a pilot and up to 4 passengers. Built from lightweight carbon fiber, it features an adjustable design and a unique passive cooling system. The VA2X demonstrates the potential of electric flying to transform urban and regional transportation with its efficiency, low emissions, and flexibility. Rolls-Royce Spirit of Innovation. The Rolls-Royce Spirit of Innovation represents a groundbreaking achievement in electric flying, showcasing the potential of sustainable air travel. Powered by 3 high-performance electric engines, it reaches a maximum speed of 623 kilometers per hour, setting a world record for electric vehicles. Through rigorous test flights, it illustrates the capabilities of electric flight and paves the way for a more sustainable future. As a testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to innovation and environmental stewardship, the spirit of innovation inspires industry-wide progress in electric aviation. Vertical Aerospace VX4. The Vertical Aerospace VX4 is a pioneering solution for urban air mobility, offering efficient and cost-effective transportation. As a 5-seater all-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, it combines style with performance. With a range of up to 100 miles and a cruising speed of 150 meters per hour, it sets a new standard for electric flying. Completely electric and emission-free, the VX4 prioritizes environmental sustainability without compromising on speed or reliability. As Vertical Aerospace continues to refine its design, the VX4 represents a significant step towards the next level of transportation. MAVERIC AIRBUS. The MAVERIC by Airbus presents a pioneering approach to aircraft design with its experimental blended wing-body configuration. Developed by Airbus as a demonstrator for a future full-scale BWB aircraft, it aims to enhance fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. Airbus projects a potential 20% reduction in fuel consumption compared to current single-aisle aircraft, owing to its wide cabin layout and innovative design. With a wingspan of 3.2 meters and powered by 2 electric engines mounted above the rear, the MAVERIC features a unique twin-tail arrangement. As a radio-controlled unmanned aerial vehicle, it accelerates the understanding of advanced aircraft configurations and technologies for future aviation advancements. The MAVERIC underscores Airbus' dedication to pioneering sustainable and efficient aircraft solutions for the next level of air travel. VTOL X-Plane. The VTOL X-Plane, created by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, seeks to redefine vertical takeoff and landing aircraft technology. This innovative project aims to combine fixed-wing and rotary-wing capabilities to create a versatile aircraft capable of both vertical takeoff and high-speed flight. With a projected top sustained flight speed of 300 to 400 knots, surpassing current VTOL aircraft, the VTOL Zero X-Plane targets improved hover efficiency and useful load capacity. Expected flight tests of the X-Plane model in early 2026 mark a significant milestone in advanced aviation technology development, potentially opening new possibilities for military and civilian applications requiring fast and agile aerial transportation capabilities. Rolls-Royce P-Volt. The Rolls-Royce P-Volt project envisioned revolutionizing commuter air travel with a fully electric 9-passenger aircraft. A collaboration between Rolls-Royce and Tecnam, it was based on Tecnam's P-22 Traveler piston engine airplane. Designed for an 85 nautical mile range per charge, suitable for short-haul regional flights, the P-Volt featured a 320 kilowatts electric powertrain developed by Rolls-Royce. However, the project faced challenges and was discontinued in June 2023 due to limitations in battery technology. Despite its suspension, the P-Volt represented a significant step towards sustainable aviation, showcasing the potential for electric propulsion in commuter aircraft and highlighting the challenges in transitioning to electric power in the aviation industry. Icon A5. The Icon A5, made by Icon Aircraft in the United States, is an exceptional land and water-capable light sport aircraft. Beyond mere transportation, it embodies the thrill and adventure of flight. With cutting-edge avionics like the Garmin G3X touch display and optional autopilot, it ensures a seamless flying experience. Powered by a Rotax 912 engine producing 100 horsepower, it achieves a top speed of 95 knots and an impressive range of 427 nautical miles. Its sleek design and advanced features make it a standout option in the realm of light sport aircraft, inviting pilots to rediscover the pure joy of flying. Rolls-Royce EVTOL concept. The Rolls-Royce EVTOL concept presents an innovative hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft concept unveiled in 2018. Designed to serve diverse applications ranging from personal and commercial transportation to cargo and military operations. This adaptable aircraft features tilting wings for vertical takeoff and landing at ground level. Its propellers on the wings fold to minimize drag and cabin noise, while propulsion is provided by two rear propellers. With a spacious four-seat cabin and a range of 500 miles, the EVTOL concept travels at 250 meters per hour. Its propulsion system, based on an M250 hybrid engine, delivers approximately 500 kilowatts of electrical power, ensuring efficient and economical performance across various missions and scenarios. The Rolls-Royce EVTOL concept represents a significant advancement in electric flying technology, offering a glimpse into the next era of flexible and eco-friendly aerial transportation solutions. KLEIN Vision Flying Car. The KLEIN Vision Flying Car, or Air Car, is a groundbreaking dual-mode vehicle capable of both street and air travel. Making history with an intercity flight from Nitra to Bratislava, Slovakia, it features an innovative folding wing design for seamless transitions. Powered by a 1.6-liter BMW motor, it achieves impressive performance metrics, with a range of 1,000 kilometers and a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour on the road, with similar performance figures in flight mode. Representing a pioneering achievement in personal air mobility, it offers unmatched versatility and convenience for modern transportation needs. TERRAFUGIA Transition. The TERRAFUGIA Transition is a groundbreaking rotatable aircraft, commonly referred to as a flying car, capable of taking off and landing at airports before folding its wings to drive on roads. Developed by TERRAFUGIA since 2006, this light sport rotatable aircraft is powered by a Rotax 912U LS piston engine and features a carbon fiber construction. With a cruising flight speed of 93 knots and a flight range of 425 nautical miles, it received a special light sport aircraft airworthiness certificate from the FAA in January 2021. On the road, it can travel up to 70 meters per hour under normal traffic conditions. The TERRAFUGIA Transition represents a pioneering blend of flying and car technologies, offering pilots the freedom to seamlessly transition between air and ground transportation modes. NALWA 5X. India's first 5-seater electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, the NALWA 5X, is developed by NALWA Aero in collaboration with leading international aviation companies. It epitomizes the next level of advanced air mobility, combining efficiency, flexibility, safety, and autonomous capabilities. With a maximum speed of 400 kilometers per hour and an altitude reach of 2,000 meters, it caters to diverse applications, from military operations to commercial and civil uses such as transportation, delivery services, medical evacuation, tourism, and agriculture. Its compact dimensions, slightly larger than an SUV, set a new standard for space efficiency, promising a sustainable, efficient, and versatile future in air mobility. The NALWA 5X signifies a major leap forward in India's aviation industry, showcasing the country's commitment to technological innovation and environmental sustainability. JOBY S4. The JOBY S4 is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for passenger transport, featuring a tilt rotor setup that allows its wings and propellers to tilt from vertical to horizontal positions. This enables the S4 to operate from small spaces like rooftops or parking lots without requiring a traditional runway. Designed to accommodate 5 people, including 1 pilot and 4 passengers, it boasts a range of up to 150 miles and a cruise speed of 200 miles per hour. Powered by 6 electric engines driven by lithium-ion batteries, the JOBY S4 represents a significant advancement in urban air mobility, offering efficient and eco-friendly transportation solutions for the next time. It's time to bid farewell, fellow sky explorers. Which amazing aircraft left you in awe? Share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more exhilarating adventures soaring through the clouds. Thank you.